Students, we are now going to revise lesson number 6, our climate. Children, already we have discussed that what is the difference between weather and climate. We know that weather changes from day to day. Like it may be very sunny in the morning, later on it may be cloudy, at night it may rain. So it changes, maybe every day it changes for a period of time. But climate is taken as an average of the weather condition of a place for a long period of time. So this is the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the change of different condition of the atmosphere at given period, at given time, and climate is taken like if we are talking about the climate of our country India, it is for a period of time, maybe 30 years, 40 years, for a period of time, what was the weather condition in different time of the year. So this is the difference between weather and climate. Weather we can say sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, and climate is on which we have the season, different season. Throughout the world we have different type of seasons like summer, winter, spring, autumn, or monsoon or rainy season. In India we mainly have 3 seasons, that is summer, winter and monsoon. The factors that affect the climate of the place are actually our rainfall and the temperature. Temperature and rainfall are the 2 key factors which affect the climate of a place. Like we say the climate of Gujarat, it is very hot and dry climate. Because for a period of time they have found that here in Gujarat the temperature rises very high and there is less of humidity in there. So this is rainfall is less. So in this way temperature and rainfall are the 2 factors. As we discussed that in India there are 3 main seasons, summer, winter and monsoon. Now there are different features, you all know, we discussed about the summer season, winter season or monsoon season. Winter season, children, begins in November and continues till end of February. You know, December and January are the coldest months, and especially in the northern part of India, the northern mountains remain very cold, and there is even snowfall during the winter season in those places. In winter the nights are longer than the days are shorter, nights are longer, and the coastal areas they do not experience very cold days and nights. Their temperature remain almost very moderate, mild when winter they experience, and western disturbances affect the climate of the northern and western part of India. So there is snowfall, as I discussed with you, and in Chennai, Tamil Nadu actually experience rainfall during the winter season because of retreating monsoon. We enjoy a lot of vegetables during this winter season. Also, groundnut is also available in the winter season. Children, coming to the next season, which you know that it is our summer season. Summer season is, we have already started with the summer season. This year we had early summers. Actually, summer season starts from March and it continues till end of June. We have long summer time, especially in the heartland of India, that is the north and northwestern part of India. Even eastern and southern part also experience quite rise of temperature. May and June are the hottest months of the year, and days are longer, opposite to the winter season. Days are longer and nights are shorter. Northern mountains, they do not have extreme temperature. Temperature remain quite moderate and mild, and that's why people enjoy to go and enjoy in the winter season in the hill stations. Many of you must have gone there. It remains dry generally during this season. Lu, that dry wind, hot dry wind which blows in summer. We all have experienced in Gujarat, Loo. And children, beside Loo, dust storms are very common also, and water bodies, again moderate temperature in the coastal region. And lastly, we have the monsoon season. Children, monsoon season begins at the end of June and continues till you can say till mid-November, means early November. And Arabian means monsoon winds blow, means moisture laden wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and comes to the mainland of India, and we have heavy rainfall during this monsoon season. Especially it starts from southern part of India and reaches up to the northern mountains. Again it comes back because it hit the Himalayan region and comes back. Meghalaya is the wettest place in the world, as you know. Mawsim Gram receive the heaviest rainfall in the world, and Rajasthan remains dry because of this western disturbances. Coastal region, they experience moderate temperature, and most of the time, as we discussed, that we all have a lot of rain we experience, and it is good for our farming. Children, plum, peaches and cherries are available in this season, and in summer, as we discussed, that we enjoy mangoes. Okay, so this is all about our different seasons of India. Thank you.